Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Lorre Wilson. Together, we will discover, connect, and bring light to our tri-state communities in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky in selling Appalachia. It's not just the home you live in, it's the community. Let's see what the American Dream looks like in Huntington, West Virginia. Today, we sit down with Huntington Mayor Steve Williams, and we take a look at the 1964 World's Fair Formica home. It's one out of 150 out of the whole country, and it's located right here in Huntington. Thank you so much for meeting with us today. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate seeing you again. And, you know, I'm so proud of everything you've done in Huntington. And I grew up here. You grew up here. You graduated from high school here. You went to Marshall, and here you are running the city. And how long have you been the mayor?
I'm in my 12th year now.
Okay.
Nobody has served 3 terms as mayor in Huntington, and it's just good. It's just good timing.
So tell me about the new housing study that was.
Well, actually, I was about to jump right into that. Is that the opportunity that we have is with some of the large businesses that are locating in the area. They're going to be looking as to where they can go.
Right.
The one thing that we're seeing is that there is absolutely a need for additional housing.
Yes.
What we're doing is we're saying that you have to get building permits, but if you have a project that's $200,000 to $250,000 residential,
yes,
then you don't have to pay the building permits.
Right.
And we'll also take off the business and occupation tax on that, the place on that. Frankly, this is an opportunity that somebody with an entrepreneurial mindset is going to see. Well, there's an opportunity that nobody else is taking care of.
Yes.
Everybody is building their own green space housing developments.
Sure.
But what if you could take a half a block and go in and start acquiring those and then either renovate them or tear them down and then build new.
So tell me what your plans are now for Huntington. Where do you go from here?
The conversation that we're having is that if Huntington can do it, every community in the state can. Dream so big that they make you hyperventilate. Identify what is it that we can do that can make sure that we're competing with everybody else. We're not looking to just compete with others within the tri-state area. Why would we ever shoot so low? And I'm not saying that it's a low bar to cover.
Right.
I want to compete against Cincinnati, Chicago,
why not?
Denver, Dallas, New York, San Francisco, and every city in the world. It's amazing what we have been able to do here, and I can only imagine what the future foretells for us for the rest of the state of West.
Well, Huntington has everything that anyone needs. The river's here, the Amtrak is here, there's an airport, we have plenty of wonderful places to stay and eat and live. And actually, the Wall Street Journal named us as the top 100 places for remote workers.
Actually, it's in the number 6 in the country.
Number 6 in the country for remote workers. Why not? Why not? So thank you again so much.
Thanks.
You really, really appreciate it.
Thank you for what you're doing. You help us be able to promote our community. But why would I not be surprised? Is that if anybody's going to figure it out, Lori's going to figure it out.
Thank you. Imagine stepping into a timeless charm at 1615 Campbell Drive. This stunning mid-century Formica home is a rare gem, and it offers a blend of classic design with modern comfort. As you enter, you're going to be greeted by the inviting ambiance that only a mid-century home can offer. This residence features 3 cozy bedrooms and 2.5 well-appointed baths. The heart of this home is undoubtedly the kitchen. It's adorned with the original Formica cabinets. Step outside to discover the suite deck and back porch, perfect for enjoying warm Appalachian evenings or hosting lively gatherings with friends and family. The home isn't just a place to live, it's a space to create memories, offering a blend of history, functionality, and charm that's hard to come by. Bringing you the best of our tri-state in West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Lorre Wilson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time right here, sharing the American dream.